walking down the road, I got my blue jeans on, I'm on a button sugar trying. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today's test drive a 1979 Chevrolet C-10 pickup truck, LS powered under the hood here. You can see it's got power steering, power brakes. Looks like it also has the AC compressor. We're going to be taking it down the road, pointing out flaws so you know what you get before you get here. Detailed pictures, financing, and shipping are available at maplemotors.com. Obviously, this is a patina style paint job, and they did a pretty good job on this one. It looks great. Bed's been done. Truck itself is beautiful. Aftermarket set of wheels, disc brakes in the front. Guys, please hit subscribe, share this video. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, before we take off, we'll look around the interior and check everything out. It's got a nice seat in this one. Headliner's super clean. Dash pad looks good. This is a pretty nice truck overall. Looks like it's got a digital readout for the mileage, which you can't stand behind because it says, what, 2 miles? Radio's working. Check that out. Pretty cool looking radio. Go ahead and hit the key. She starts up wonderfully. AC is already blowing. Cut that down. Seems like the radio cuts up to about 8 every single time you turn it on. Wipers do work. Place those bets. Do you think the horn works? Nice and bright turn signals. Tilt column. I mean, overall, this is a really clean truck. I don't see it sticking around. We'll go ahead and try the horn. What do you think? Really? I would have said this one worked. It's even got the spring in it. Nope. Gas gauge is good. Let's hit the road and see what else we can find. All right, here we go, guys. Put these brand new seat belts on. Don't look like they've ever been used. We gonna head on out. It's lunchtime at Maple Motors. Got Kevin with us. Evan Detail. Reverse works pretty good in this one. Oversized wheels do rub when you turn them all the way. See, it stopped us. Don't even have to hit the brakes. Gas gauge is fluctuating, and that AC is cold. Just like the guy put the cone up, so I can't get out. It was cold. I ain't gonna be able to do it now. No. I'm pretty good at guessing that, but I'm gonna hit both of them. You good? All right, guys, we're gonna roll out. We have to put the cones up because people will pull in and back into the cars, and that's no good. We don't want any cars getting hit today. Anything I see, you'll know about it. This is the first time I've driven this vehicle. It looks like our oil pressure gauge is up around 35. Battery is charging. Speedo. Wow, this is silky feeling. Speedo is coming up. Tight steering. Shifting out good. Little bit of a fade drift to the right there. It's not bad. What happens when I floor it? She gets down. That's what happens. What happens when I hit the brakes? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, it stops good. It feels great. Back into the gas. She sounds awesome. Speedo seems correct. It seems like all of our gauges are working. Tip gauge is up a little bit. This is just one of those trucks that's ready to go. Nope, no beauty mirror. The carpet feels nice. Somebody put new carpet in this one. I'm going to keep an eye on the temp gauge. I feel like it should be up a little bit higher than it is, but it did come off of the 100 mark. I just don't think it's correct. Looks like even the locks on the vent windows have been replaced. They did the seals too. Mirrors look new. lucky enough to get stuck at the red light, so I'm gonna head down this way. We're gonna go get something to eat. We're gonna do some outside shots, undercarriage stuff, head back to the lot and do picking out the flaws. I'll be back. Alright, I got the camera on ultra wide, so everything in here is like stretched way out. You can see all the way across, but notice the steering on this one. I think the tires are rubbing once you get about yay far, and it feels like it's grabbing a little bit. So that's something that you'll have to be aware of. Also, the front suspension is stiff. So hitting a bunch of bumps and stuff, you can really feel it in the front end there. She seems to be running a dry. Look, a little rubbish there. Did you hear that? We hit a bump in the road and kind of touched. Oversized wheels and tires, and I believe this one's been lowered a little bit the way it's riding. Okay, let's pull in here and get some undercarriage shots real quick. Roll out. Temp gauge did come up. All the gauges are working and everything seems to be fine, other than the front end is rubbing a little bit from both of the wheels because they're oversized in the fender wells. And the suspension's really stiff in the front. Quiet going down the road. It's not making any weird noises or anything. That's a good sign, right?
Oh, yeah.
This road here's got a nice little bump in it, and this is going to give you an example of the front end and how stiff it actually is. That right there was a small bump. Look, I lost my phone. I hit that and it flew out of my lap. Oh, tire rub too. You see that? Here we go. It's coming up right here. Yeah. Another one. 2 back to back. Rides just like a Chevrolet. Them tires are just oversized in the front, and the whole test drive it's been doing that. So. We're pulling back into the car lot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit subscribe. Picking out the flaws is coming up next. All right, here we go. I'm gonna walk around this ride, look for rust, dents, scratches, whatever I can find. Detailed pictures, maplemotors.com. Let's get started. Coming up on the front end, it looks to me like we got a brand new front bumper. Boom. Front bumper looks pretty good. A little bit of pitting on your grill there around the edges. Down the side. Door's hanging just a little bit. So it's even up top, just on the bottom. Spot there. Of course, it's not a perfect paint job. It's made to be like this. Give it that effect. The front windshield looks good, still looks good. Chrome looks good. Door handle is in good shape. Back window on this one, pretty clean. Does have some light scuffs. The bed looks beautiful. Up on the back here, chrome on the back bumper is nice and clean. Cracks there, right there. And down this side. Spot in the bottom of the door there. Vacuum midsection. Small ding here, really small. Light scuff here. Front window on this one, still clean on this side. A little bit of dirt from the test drive. So we made it around the outside. Now we're gonna go ahead and check out the interior. You can already see it's a pretty nice truck. I think the only thing that I would do on this one, because the tires do rub in the front, is go with a different size wheel for the front of it. Maybe even a little skinnier to keep that from happening. Big old fat tires on the back of this thing. Carpet has been changed out. The seats, definitely, they're beautiful. They relocated a gas tank to the underside. Looks like Bose system in here. It's got Bose speakers. Good old truck there. See the upgraded plates they've added here. The front of this all looks pretty new. Nice battery tray, nice battery. So clean. Chip there on the edge. Chips over here. Went down with the hood. It shuts good. Guys, detailed pictures, finance, and shipping, maplemotors.com. Be sure to hit subscribe and share this video. I'll be putting out more today, so be expecting it. Thanks for watching.